Advocate. Meaning. Advocate refers to a person who supports or recommends a particular cause or policy. It can also mean a lawyer who represents a client in court. Definition. Advocate is a noun or a verb. As a noun, it refers to someone who publicly supports or defends a cause, idea, or individual. As a verb, it means to support or argue in favor of something. Examples in sentences. 1. She decided to become an advocate for animal rights. Here, advocate means someone who supports animal rights. 2. The lawyer will advocate on behalf of his client in the court. Here, advocate refers to representing or arguing in favor of the client. Usage advocate is commonly used to describe individuals who stand up for social, political, or legal causes. It is also used in the legal profession to describe lawyers who represent clients in court or legal matters.
English practice.